Guys, good morning. A little bit heavy traffic dito sa pinagtrabahoan namin. Corner. May mga equipment. Everybody is busy getting rush before the rain is coming. Rush. Guys, so andito tayo ngayon sa loob ng ating machine. Yan, may mga delivery truck ng gravel. Ang sunod-sunod tong dalawang loader din na ito. Tapos nag-i-script pa sila. Morning, buddy.
Good now?
Yeah. You leave? Okay.
Good.
No worries.